Hi friends, everybody, welcome to Top to Tip YouTube channel. Here I am going to show you some interesting steps to maintain your computer speed and performance. It's because some of my friends they asked me once they brought new computer it was very fast and quick response, but after a few months it's became slower and slower. It's because once you're using a computer, there is some temporary files are building and it's storing in some temporary folders. Because once you run an application in computer, they need lots of supporting files. It will just work behind your computer, you cannot see it, and it will temporarily stored on a temporary folder called temp folder, recent, protect, like that. All those files will dump there and they will not delete automatically. So we have to clean up that folders in a regular intervals like 1 month, like that. So the first thing, deleting a file or something from your computer. Everyone's know how to delete a file in a computer, but do you permanently deleting from your computer or not? Because once we deleting any file, it will just go to recycle bin. Normally we are deleting files like this. Just right click and press delete. It is disappearing from your computer, but actually it's not deleting. The other way to delete is just click on the files which one you need to delete and press delete key in the keyboard. This also just disappearing the file, but it is going to another location called recycle bin. Once you open recycle bin, you can see those files there. So we can restore it from there to the before location where you are deleted before. So this is once it going to recycle bin, we need to delete it from recycle bin also to do permanent delete from our computer. For that, just right click on that icon and press delete and press yes on the warning box, permanent deleting warning box. Once you click this yes, it will permanently delete from your computer. The other way of deleting permanently, because we cannot delete one by one from the recycle bin. Once it have lot file, just right click on recycle bin and enter empty recycle bin and just press yes on the warning box. It's asking permanent, you need to delete it permanently. Yes, we need to delete it permanently. So once you open that again, all files are deleted permanently from your computer. There is another way to delete a file without going to the recycle bin. Once you deleting a file from your computer, direct delete it permanent. Sure, you don't want that file anymore. In such a case, just select the icon and press shift on your computer and press delete. So you will get the warning box and it will delete permanently and it will not appear in the recycle bin. The next thing, we are going to look how to delete the recent files and temporary files from your computer. For this, just the temporary files and recent files means temporary files are the supporting files that run behind your computer once you are using any softwares or applications like that. It's only a supporting files, it's saving in some temporary folders in your computer. Once it accumulates more files, it will get the computer slower. So once in a week or once in a month, you go open these folders and just delete it permanently. So the temporary folders will get space to add more files there, so it will add there, then it will not interfere with performance. Now we can see how to do that. Just go click Windows R in your keyboard and you can get a pop-up run box. In this box, just write RECENT and press enter on the keyboard. You can see here the recent files. This recent files means these are the files you recently used, and if you need, you can open it from here again like this. So we are going to delete all these recent files. For that, just press Ctrl A to select all. It's a shortcut key for selecting all. One thing, keep it in your mind, once you delete it permanently by clicking shift delete. So it will delete permanently from your computer. By this way, in this same way, you can do temp, percentage temp and protect files like the same, go to Windows R and write here temp and press enter. It will open a temporary folder. Here also you need to delete everything, and again Windows R and percentage temp, close the percentage and press enter and delete all from that folder also. The last thing is prefetch. Here also same like recent, just open it and select all and delete it from your computer. I'm just show you again what are the 4 things we need to delete. First thing is recent, second thing is temp, third thing is percentage temp, close the percentage, the last thing is prefetch. Just go to run and open it one by one and delete all those folders and keep your computer faster forever. Next we are going to check how to delete the browsing history files from your computer. It will help you to make faster your browsing. In your browsing, it will feel faster after deleting these things. So you can check how to delete the browsing history files from your computer. Just go to control panel and you can see the internet option. Just click on internet option. In this file you can see security tab under browsing history. Under browsing history, just press the security tab, then you can see the view files. Just go to the view files, and this is the browsing history files when you are saved in your computer. So all those we don't need. So just in your keyboard, just press Ctrl A to select all the files and make it delete. Once you delete, just make permanent delete from your computer. So for that, just press Shift plus delete and you'll get the warning box for permanent deleting. Just press yes and delete it permanently. Like this, you can make clear all the history files from your browser. And also you can go to same in internet option. You can just click on advanced, then just press reset and delete personal settings. So it will delete all the personal settings in the browser, like all the passwords, everything, all the saved passwords, everything from your computer. So just click this one and reset. It will delete all those passwords also from your computer. So it will also make your browsing faster. The next thing we are going to check, that is how to disable the startup applications. It means once your computer opening, like booting, you can see some applications automatically pop up in your computer and just going. It means it's getting ready to open. Once you press that particular application, it will suddenly open. All those softwares we now need to open while booting. So once you disable all this, the booting process will get faster. So you can open your computer fastly and go to the work what you need, because all the times you don't need to open all those applications. So once all the applications is booting while your computer opening, it will get late to boot your computer. Like once you're opening your computer, Adobe and other things, sometimes torrent, sometimes YouTube, everything, it's getting ready behind your computer. So it's no need. Sometimes you are opening the computer for just mailing purpose only. We no need to make all these applications ready behind. So we can just disable those applications in startup. So it will not affect your booting and you make your computer boot faster. For that, just right click on the taskbar, or you can just press Alt Ctrl Delete on your computer and it will go to Task Manager. In Task Manager, there is one menu, Startup. In this menu, all these enabled applications or features are starting and it's booting with your computer. So it will get late. Here some we need already, like HD audio, we need that one. Java sometimes only we need. So which one you are sure you don't need, just click that one and press disable. So it's disabled. The next time booting, it will not open with the computer. It will not affect for the Adobe Reader. We are just disabling here only to avoid it booting with the computer. So the booting process will do faster and we can able to use the computer within a short time. Because some computers, once we press the power button, we need to sit 4 minutes to make it ready. So also this Java I am going to do disable and just close it. That's it. The next time when you're opening your computer, it will not open with the computer. The next thing we are going to check, that's a power depending, because always keep your computer in high performance mode. Everyone changing the performance level to balance or power saver mode for the battery consumption or for the screen brightness reducing, because some people's using the computer in the night time, they need to reduce this brightness. For that we need to go control panel, see power options. In those are the two modes in this laptop, balance and high performance mode. You can see here, once I press balance, the brightness of the computer is going down, and once we put high performance, it's coming back. So you can also do it from here in the battery icon in below. You can press balance and high performance. Everyone just doing these things to change the brightness level. It's no need to do that one. Just go to control panel and power option. You can reduce the brightness only here. Which brightness level you need, you can do it here. No need to press the balanced option. Once you're traveling with your laptops and you need high battery backup, that time only do this one, because it will affect your computer performance. I will show you one thing. Once you go to change plan settings and advanced power setting, you can see here some levels. I will just show you one only, processor power management. Once I put in high performance, the processor power management, minimum process status, on battery 5 and plugging 100%. System cooling active, maximum process state 100% in on battery and on plugging. But these things, once you going to balance mode and you check again in the processor power minimum, it's 5 and 5 also for the plug-in mode, also 5, and system cooling passive and active in maximum 100% and 100%. Power saver same, you can see the difference there, both are passive here, 5%. So these things will affect your processor speed also once you put this in balanced or power saver mode. So keep it in high performance if you need full performance of your computer. And to change your brightness level, just change from here, or all the laptop have the key for reducing the brightness. So through that keys you can reduce the brightness. Don't change like this to balance, it will affect the performance of your computer. So keep it in your mind and make your computer always faster.
ടോപ്പ് ടു ടിപ്പിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ അവർ ചാനൽ ആൻഡ് ഡു സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്.